Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Today we have an iPhone 10. It's water damaged and it's got a sticker on the display. So what's up? Let's go. So we have here an iPhone 10. You can see there it's water damaged according to the customer. And you can see there it's showing us a green light. I believe this has not been used for a long time. You can see there's a sticker. The sticker is rather old. The phone is trying to turn on, but there seems to be an issue with the display. And David is gonna open this smartphone up, removing the two pentalobe screws on the side of the lightning port. And the client is taking this to us because they already contacted Apple. And you can see there are some traces of liquid underneath the display. And they already went to Apple. They want Apple to fix this, but since this is an iPhone 10, it's an old smartphone. And knowing we have the iPhone 16 now, 6 generations behind. So Apple just told them, just get a new iPhone. And that's not a comforting thing to say if you're gonna save a broken smartphone. Maybe this has sentimental value, or they're not ready to buy a new iPhone yet. So that's the business model of Apple. If you bring them an old device and it's broken, they would just tell you to buy the latest iPhone. That's not gonna sit well with some people. Some people are okay with it. Maybe it's time to upgrade. But our client wants to have the most cost-effective solution to their problem. It's just, maybe it's just a display. Maybe we can give this iPhone 10 a new lease of life, maybe a year or two, and give the customer another 2 years of usable life with this iPhone 10. And then we have removed the display, and I think David is gonna try to replace the display, knowing that the iPhone wanted to turn on. We're gonna blow off some moisture from the lightning port. And in this video, maybe David has not turned on the camera to record everything. But here we can see that with the new display, the iPhone is still working. There you go. Yep, it's still working. And if they took Apple's advice, if they took the ever smart advice from Apple, maybe they will have an iPhone 16 right now, maybe down $1,000. But here we still have the iPhone 10 for a fraction of the cost, because we just replaced a faulty component rather than getting the latest flagship from Apple. So that's gonna be it. That's gonna be a lesson for the rest of us, never to give up. If it's not that urgent, if you need to save some cash, definitely go to the repair route if you have a trusted technician. The iPhone 10 has been out for a while now. Lots of people know how to repair them. Lots of parts has been created for this specific model, and you don't have to worry about losing a lot, because replacing the display, $200, $300 compared to $1,000 when buying the base iPhone 16. So think about it. See there, David is just gonna document something. And there you go. This iPhone 10 is ready to go. Hopefully nothing bad will happen to it in the future. And that's gonna be it. I'm gonna close this up. So if you want this to have your iPhone 10 fixed, or you can visit Sydney, you can also mail in your broken smartphone to us. We have fixed Asus ROG phones. That's a complicated smartphone to fix. We fix Z Flips and Z Folds. Those are extra difficult to fix and very pricey to fix if you go to Samsung. And here we give the value and the most convenient way for people to have their devices fixed. Reasonable prices, professional repairs. What more could you ask for? And it's gonna be the last screws to go back in. And thanks for joining, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And this is the before and after. Bye, all display. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.